There is a lot of hype about this idea of mindfulness. What is it? It's more simple than you think. We oftentimes think of meditation as the only way to access mindfulness, but it isn't. It just means being aware. What does being aware mean? Being present, really noticing not just your surroundings, but your inner scape, how you're feeling. When we slow down to appreciate how we're feeling, it creates time, it creates space for us to know how to respond rather than react. So when we respond, we're able to choose whether we want to be calm or maybe a modulated anger is appropriate in that setting. It doesn't always mean complete peace, but we have a choice, and it's a choice that matters. It's also imbued with the idea that there is kindness and gratitude and compassion that should be part of our well-being. And meditation is one way of accessing this exercise of mindfulness. In common activities is something as simple as washing dishes. One can be mindful. In eating, one could be mindful. Can you imagine tasting, looking, seeing your food and chewing it and really appreciating the taste? What gratitude and appreciation that might be creating? I encourage you to give mindfulness a try as you approach everyday activities.